Your brain goes there anyway. Images, fantasies.
Don't flatter yourself.
The eyes don't lie. They dilate. It's a chemical response we can't control.
Okay, 15 seconds.
What is it?
No change. No dilation.
I guess chemically we're not a match.
Only because you have someone else on the mind. Once that happens, the attraction center in the brain shuts down. Your turn.
No.
You scared I might be right? Huh?
No, Paul. I'm baffled. I cannot figure out what the officer could learn from you.
What do you mean? Took my look, my words, everything that makes me successful to the opposite sex.
Really? Because that guy could get beautiful women into his apartment. I wouldn't let you on my Facebook page.
Oh, you're on Facebook?
Yeah, you should friend me.
Hey! I gave him the routines that made him what he is.
What's all being the salesmanship then?
Because we've been watching all the women in the club.
And not one of them has looked at you. So who do you really go home with, Paul? Or do you go home alone?
Oh, that's really good, ladies. That was really good. Don't you think I know why you're here? One of my students copies my moves, and you're here to get inside my mind. Don't you see? I confronted my queen bee a long time ago. You are. And so is every other confident girl in here who's loud when she's drunk.
The social butterfly. The alpha female.
Every student who's ever taken my class has had one in his life. And the first exercise my students have to complete is to confront their queen bee. Could be the girl who cheated on you, or the prom date who stood you up.
Why are you sniffing the carpet at a train?
And squash them.
Turn her off next to our unsub new Vanessa Holden.
How do you
Oh,
know?
I should put this back to that lady. Why not? Decided the very first rejection and made her pay for it. Well, you think Steve prostitutes. He took away her class and decided to give Vanessa Holden.
It makes sense. What he said was that maybe a boyfriend. Someone.
No, Vanessa That woman who used to clean for us, the one who brought herself.
I don't remember her name. There have been so many people through this house, but I remember where she brought this young boy, and he was odd.